Using AAC at Home, Video 3, Creating Communication Temptations. In this video, we will discuss how you can create situations that encourage your child to communicate. You can also use your AAC device and model without expectation while doing this. We will also look at some more examples of how you can do this at home. Remember, when modeling AAC use for your child, there is no expectation that they respond to you or imitate you. We are providing exposure and showing examples of how they can use their device. It is imperative that you do not force their hand in order to try to get them to imitate what you did. This goes against their autonomy and could promote negative feelings with the AAC device. Keep it simple. First, make sure your child is paying attention to you. Then speak what you want to say while pressing corresponding words on the AAC device. You can press single words or short phrases. Provide ample wait time for your child to respond, which may be an imitation, selecting a different word, or just observing. Communication temptations are intentional but natural setups that create a reason for your child to communicate. Instead of requiring them to respond to you, you can model during these situations. For example, during snack time, you might give a small portion and then pause. Instead of saying, "What do you want?" or "Say more," you model "Want more" on the device while saying it out loud. Then you wait. Over time, these repeated low-pressure experiences help your child understand that communication has a purpose. The key is that the temptation creates opportunity, and your modeling shows them how to use the device. Let's look at some examples of how we can create communication temptations while modeling without expectation. I will be using primarily the Touch Chat application, but these tips work for any AAC device program. Oh, you want the ball?
Play. Ball.
Here you go. Here's your ball. Yum, you have Cheerios. Uh-oh. You need to open it?
Open.
There you go. In those examples, the environment was set up in a way that encouraged the child to communicate to meet their needs. In the first example, an item that he wanted was placed just out of his reach. I then modeled how to request for the ball before giving it to him. In the second example, the child was given Cheerios, which he was not able to open on his own. After the child started attending to the AAC device, I modeled open prior to opening it for him. Okay, your ladybug. Let's make it go. Do you need some help?
Yeah.
I can help you.
Yeah.
Great job. You asked for help. Here we go.
No.
Cause and effect toys like this one are another great way to create communication temptations. Using a fun, motivating toy can help a child understand the link between their communication and a wanted outcome. I encouraged the child to attend to my model of help. In this case, the child attended to the model and then imitated it, asking for help. I then helped the child manipulate the toy in order to make it go. Other examples of communication temptations are giving your child just a little bit of something and modeling more. You could also give your child only part of the thing they need, such as a bowl of cereal but not a spoon. You could then model spoon before giving it to them. Don't forget these tech tips to make your life easier when implementing the AAC device at home. Don't forget to turn on guided access for your child's AAC device. This will make sure they stay in their communication app and use the device for its purpose of communicating instead of going to YouTube or trying to play other games. You can turn on guided access by going into your settings and creating a password. You will then go to the AAC app and start guided access by pressing the home button 3 times. Also, don't forget to use the search function when you have trouble finding a word. Most apps have this function, and it will help you to locate the word that you need. You can ask your SLP for more help. As always, remember it's okay to take it slow and that mistakes happen. Not every attempt at a communication temptation will be a success. Just know, by modeling this, you are helping your child build self-advocacy skills and understand the connection between communication and getting what they want and need.